The future is here with Apple Vision Pro. Unveiling the price, is it worth the investment? The Apple Vision Pro isn't your average tech buy, it's a premium experience with a price tag to match. Starting at $3,499 to $4,499, it's a luxury. But before you balk at the cost, consider the unparalleled features and immersive technology you're getting. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in cutting-edge innovation. Unveiling the price, is it worth the investment? First off, let's talk numbers. The Vision Pro isn't your run-of-the-mill gadget, it's a premium device with a price tag of $3,499 to $4,499 to match. With various configurations and features, you're looking at a range that starts in the upper echelons of consumer electronics. While the base model offers an impressive array of features, each step up in configuration brings new capabilities, enhanced performance, and, yes, an increased investment. But what are you getting for your money? Choose your experience, variants and configurations. From the basic model to the Ultralux, Apple Vision Pro offers a range of configurations. Whether you're a casual user or a tech aficionado, there's a variant that fits your needs and budget. Let's break down the options, ensuring you find the perfect match for your virtual and augmented reality desires. What's under the hood? Tech Specs Unleashed. Dive deep into the technical marvels of the Apple Vision Pro. From its advanced processor to the crystal-clear display, every component is engineered for excellence. Understand how these specs translate to a user experience that's as seamless as it is breathtaking. Reality Reimagined, the user interface. Imagine controlling your digital world with just a glance or a gesture. The Apple Vision Pro's user interface is a testament to Apple's innovation, offering intuitive controls that blur the line between user and device. It's technology that feels as natural as breathing. A new era of apps, software ecosystem. Beyond the hardware lies a universe of apps designed to transform how you work, play, and connect. Explore the diverse range of applications, from productivity tools to immersive games, all optimized for the Vision Pro's unique capabilities. The competition. How Apple stacks up. Let's put the Apple Vision Pro side by side with its competitors. How does it fare against other VR and AR headsets? We'll dissect the features, performance, and price points, giving you a clear perspective on where Apple stands in the tech arena. For the audiophiles, sound innovation. Experience sound like never before. The Vision Pro's audio technology is designed to immerse you fully in your digital environment, with spatial audio that adjusts dynamically to your movements. It's not just listening, it's living the sound. Visionary design, aesthetic and comfort. Apple's signature design ethos shines through in the Vision Pro. Sleek, comfortable, and surprisingly lightweight, it's a device that looks as good as it feels to wear. Delve into the design choices that make this headset a marvel of modern technology. The developer's playground, SDKs and tools. For the creators and innovators, the Vision Pro is a dream come true. Discover the software development kits and tools provided by Apple, allowing developers to craft experiences that were previously unimaginable. Real users, real impressions, customer feedback. What's the word on the street? Hear from early adopters and tech enthusiasts about their first-hand experiences with the Vision Pro. Their insights shed light on the device's real-world performance and appeal. The verdict: is Apple Vision Pro the future? We've explored every facet of the Apple Vision Pro. Now, it's time to ask, is this the future of personal technology? Weighing the pros and cons, we'll offer a final assessment of whether the Vision Pro is a revolutionary device or just a glimpse of what's to come. The Apple Vision Pro is a gateway to a world of possibilities, offering an unmatched experience for those who can afford it. Enjoy the latest in tech with Tech Trend Tracker. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful videos. Stay updated, stay ahead.